Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so this was a trade I took on the 23rd of December, and ideally you shouldn't be trading on the 23rd of December, but I took it and it played out also. Let me take you guys through it. Okay, so from the daily, let's get our bias first. So what did I see on the daily? Let me go back. Let me get the replay too and go back. Okay, so before this version, right? Okay, so now market structure, right? Market structure. Now the market doesn't just move up like this. The market rallies and retraces, rallies and retraces, rallies and retraces. So the market rallies and it's retracing, it moves down to an internal range liquidity, right? Then now it goes up to the external range liquidity. Do you get it? So we have an internal range liquidity right here, then an external range liquidity right there, an internal range liquidity somewhere here, and an external range liquidity there, an internal range liquidity somewhere here, an external range liquidity somewhere there. Exactly, right? So clearly you could see that the market had rallied up and was moving down to an internal range liquidity. Okay, so now market is now at our internal range liquidity. We're expecting it to move higher to the external range liquidity, right? But we are not having enough confirmation, so we wait for the next day to print. Oh, sorry, times 5. Sorry, guys. Okay, back. Yes. So we are still waiting for confirmation. So Monday printed, then we had this big move. This big move creating another block. I was like, cool. Expecting Tuesday to also be bullish. Or I think price is now ready to move to an external range liquidity. Right. So now down to the 4 hour. Now down to the 4 hour. So we have our buyers to be bullish for Tuesday. Right. So on the 4 hour, we are basically looking for PDRs to push price higher on Tuesday. So let me get this off and draw this again with you guys. Okay, so this is still Monday. So let's wait for Tuesday to open. Okay, Tuesday. Now what do we have? We have a fair value gap right here. Fair value gap right here, which can push price higher on Tuesday. So we draw it and we go down to the 15 minutes. I think that's the only PDRA we have on the far. Now down to the 15 minutes. 5:45. Landing opens at 7. So we wait and see what happens. Okay. So now landing opens and takes out Asia high. Now I said in my other video that one confluence I normally wait for is for price to take Asia high or Asia low. So if I want price or market to move higher, then I want price to take Asia low first. And if I want market to move lower, I want price or market to take Asia higher first. So I'm expecting price to move higher, but then price hasn't taken Asia low, so I won't enter even though I've gotten a market structure shift. I still wait because I haven't met my criteria. Now that is for Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD CHF. So I still wait. Then right there, you can see that Asia high, Asia low was taken. That was where I entered. So I entered very late. I think even after. It was during New York P. I think New York AM or New York PM. I think New York PM. Okay, New York AM. New York AM. So I entered from this demand zone. Then waited for a bullish close and entered right there. My stop loss right below this candle, the wick of this candle. Then I take profits at our external range liquidity. It was a 1 2 3. Let me see. So I extended a bit. 2.8. Yeah, that end. How was it? Let's price do wasting. Yeah, that was basically it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye. Forgot to talk about our TP targets. So for the TP, I normally use the 4 hour for targets. I basically target liquidity. So I'm back to our entry. Let me go back. So we entered somewhere here. So what do we have? We have liquidity resting above this high and that high. So our TP1 can be here. Then TP2 can be there. Yeah. Alright, so thank you again for watching. Bye.